Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you use ChatGPT to write code. So guys, it's a very easy process. At first, you need to have an account in ChatGPT, and if you have an account, just go to the ChatGPT website. Now, in the bottom message bar, you can search for anything in the ChatGPT, but search here for codes that you need, just like write a code for a normal year and leap year. I'm showing you the basic. Here you can see ChatGPT showing you an example code in Python. You can just simply click on the copy code option here and you can use it anywhere you want. You can also put any code and ChatGPT will show you, and you can use it anywhere. So guys, that's how you can use ChatGPT for code. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.